Hello, good morning. How are you, students of Thor AEB? Today we are with a new topic, a wonderful topic in which you have had some experiences. Okay, what is the topic? Organizing conferences. Organizing conferences. What is the importance of organizing conferences correctly? Um, You have had experiences of organizing conferences, and you can see that this experience is very nice. Today, we are going to talk about what are the things, what are the important elements that you are going to take into consideration when you are organizing a conference. Let's talk about these important elements. Number one, decide on a theme. When you are organizing a conference, the first things that you are going to do is decide on a theme or a topic. What is the speaker going to talk about? What is the topic that is going to express, that is going to give his or her personal opinion? So, you, if you are organizing the conference, you are in charge to look for the important theme. Number two, assemble your a theme. You'll need a dedicated team of people to assume responsibility for different aspects of the planning, negotiations, and promotions. Your core team will likely include number one, a planning team, the person that is planning, administration team, marketing team, a sponsorships team, and volunteers. Who are the volunteers? The person that are going to support this activity. The sponsorship, the person that is going to support economically. Continue with the elements about organizing conferences. Number three, prepare a budget and business plan. Whether your conference is funded by sponsors or not, you will have to put together a budget. What is a budget? The budget is the plan, is the document that is telling you where your money is being earned and spent. As an assistant, you have to consider that you have to be organized always. And part of your organization is to plan about where your money is going to be earned, where your money is to be invested, okay? You have to describe, for example, what is the amount you are going to earn in chairs, for example, in tables, in the room, in the hotel that you are going to need, in the conference room that you are going to use in a special place, for example. Find sponsors and grants is the number four. If you are financing the conferences on your own and are not looking for external sources of revenue, you can safely skip this step. What is a sponsor, or who is a sponsor or sponsors? Okay, a sponsor is the person or is the company that is going to support your investment. Over here in this picture, you can find, for example, McDonald's, La Costeña, La Posada Hotel. La Posada Hotel could be the place in which you are going to develop, the place in which you are going to be on this wonderful time talking about conferences. Remember that the place is an important part when organizing a conference. Settle a date. This is the next element. Settle on a date. Important information here, ladies. You have to consider about the season in which you are going to organize the conference. Summer and winter holiday periods when people tend to go on vacation is not to be considered. We have to avoid these seasons. We cannot plan, we cannot plan or organize conferences in summer and winter holiday. Next, never plan a conference during a weekend because remember that the schedule for the person in organization or companies are from Monday to Friday, so you cannot schedule conferences on weekends. Try to aim for the end of the week. Okay, traveling attendees get the chance to stay behind and sightsee during their time off. Line up your speaker, an important part. Who is the person that is going to help you as a speaker? You have to consider, ladies, important things for the speaker. The compensation. What does it mean? Money, related about money. What's the speaker going to receive? What is the amount the person is going to receive as a compensation to be a speaker? Supporting equipment. What are the things the speaker is going to need for the conference? Special requirements, okay? Special requirements as, for example, what is the food? What is the food for this person? What are his or her preferences? Transportation, means of transportation, and accommodation arranged for them. Okay, ladies, thank you very much thank you very much to take into consideration about this important video.